Kak Amanda. I want to explain about credit card, debit card, and payment terms. Credit is an accounting recording of debt and equity accounts that have increased. Credit is usually located on the right with the Latin name credere. Refers to a system in which a person is given the ability to borrow money or obtain goods or service with the promise of future repayment. This can be credit provided by. Next, credit card. Credit card are a non-cash payment tool that has been around for a long time to make transaction faster and easier. Example of credit card: BCA card, Visa, Mastercard, and American Express. Next, debit card. Debit card is a card that you can use to solve beside using cash from your bank account. Debit card are a type of card that does not have a limit system. A debit card is an electronic card issued by a bank as a facility for saving or checking account holders that can be used for various banking transactions at ATM, machines, and shopping at shops that have electronic data capture. Payment terms. Payment terms are provisions that regulate how and when payments are made in a business transaction.